When the blank page feels overwhelming, AI can act as a thinking partner that never runs out of suggestions. By prompting a language model with a broad topic, it can produce dozens of angles in seconds, from the practical to the wildly imaginative. The key is to treat AI output as raw material, not final answers. For example, asking for unusual uses for a paperclip yields ideas that can be refined, combined, or discarded. This process mirrors traditional brainstorming but with a faster, wider net. To get the best results, users can provide context, such as audience or constraints, which helps the AI generate more relevant ideas. Moreover, AI can help overcome mental blocks by offering unexpected connections, prompting users to think in new directions. The takeaway: AI is not a replacement for human creativity, but a catalyst that expands the idea space, making the brainstorming phase faster and more productive.